When we think of devotion, we think of bhakti. 9 types of bhakti. In Sanskrit they call Naudha bhakti. 9 kinds of bhakti. Treatise, the bhakti described, Bhakti Sanghita, the treatise on bhaktis. It says that Bhakti Bhakt, Bhagavant and Guru, Chatur Naam Bapuvek. Bhakti, Bhakt, Bhagavant and Guru. The bhakti, devotion, dedication, supreme love, supreme attachment, vairag. So that's bhakti, bhakt, one who follows the path of bhakti. Bhakt, devotee. Bhakti, bhakt, Bhagavant, the ultimate reality. Bhagavant, the God, the goal, ultimate goal. Bhagavant and Guru, finally the Guru. Chatur Naam, there are 4 names. Bapu Ek, having one body, one this vehicle, one form. So the stages of bhakti. That stage of bhakti, one, as you walk, and each step is divine. Each step of bhakta is a bliss. And as you move, you have the whole universe is with you, within you. It is believed that divine being become bhakta to demonstrate, to set an example of bhakti. And in case of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, the Chaitanya who came to incarnated in physical body, where this Krishna conscious movement, their faith is based on. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. In that century, where Kabir and Mira and many others happened to be, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu believed that incarnated to become bhakta. Sankirtan. And this Sankirtan, you just had a beautiful Sankirtan. Kirtan, Kirtati, Kirti. One who is one with the beloved is Sankirtan. Sankirtanam. Amalgamation of total merger of yourself to the divine. Sankirtanam. You just had a beautiful Sankirtanam. You tried to merge into whole, to divinity. Dive into that. Sat Chit Anand. Who is Guru? He is Sat Chit Anand. He is truth. Satyam Sivam Sundaram. Truth, personified of truth. Chit, he is Chaitanya, if he is life. Always there. Always there with you. When you, even if you don't feel, he is there. When you call, he is there. Chaitanya, alert, all pervading, all being. Satchit Anand, the bliss. Such is the Guru. Satchitananda Guru. And complete Guru, Purna Guru. whole, complete. Nothing is there which is not there. So this Sat Chit Anand, and that beautiful Sankirtanam you did. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came to this earth to show how to be devotee, how to have a devotion. And so what he did? Navadvip where he was born, on the bank of Ganga near Calcutta, the state of Bengal. I sometimes spent time there as well, Navadvip. So this Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, who sang the song, what he did? He took one drum, put it around his neck. This mridang, we call it mridang, because sound is very powerful. So he put the mridang in his neck, and then he came out of his dwelling place when he was very young, barely 20. He came out, and out of his village, and he played the mridang. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare. So that's how he started. He came out of his cottage and he sang the perennial song, internal song, a divine song he sang. And then everybody joined. Dog, cat, cow, deer, all the animals, they joined. And he, in ecstasy, in divine, it's like a man who is drugged. He drugged in divine drug. And he doesn't remember, doesn't care what happens. And on that street of Navadvip, along the Ganga, he goes drumming and singing Hare Krishna. And then they all, one by one, they all join. The devotion, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu incarnated to set the devotion, path of devotion, set the example. And after him, many devotional branches, people followed that path.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna.